Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a common issue in Angular application when using the ngx-editor restrict editors. The problem statement is when uploading an image inside the editor, the image always appears at the end of the article description instead of the cursor positions. That is my problem statement. Practically, I will show you what happening. Okay, here this is my article form and at it inside the article description. Okay, here I want to add a or upload an image. Suppose I want to upload an image. Okay, upload an image in between these two paragraph. This is my cursor position. Okay, suppose I upload some image, this small size. Okay, add these images here. What happening here? Look here. Look, this image is uploaded at the end of the article description instead of the cursor position. Why it is happening? This is due to my code issue. Okay, here look this position. This description value is concatenated with paragraph with image. What I upload. Okay, and second thing is patching value or patch value of the content. Patch value content what? First it show the total article description. After that image will show. That's the reason why my image showing at the bottom or at the end of the description instead of my cursor positions. Okay, so how it will fix? It will fix. We need to use the editor command API provided by the ngx editor instead of the patching the form value. Okay, so how to fix? Just remove this description article description value and concatenate symbols. Okay, and just remove this patch value of article descriptions. Okay, add the editor command API that provided by the ngx editor. This dot editor dot command dot inner HTML content dot focus dot execute exe. Okay. Here, what this does? Inner HTML does what inner HTML does? What focus does? What exe does? So here, inner HTML function insert the image HTML. Focus functions keep the editor active. .exe execute the command. This editor already know where the cursor is, so it insert the image at the cursor position. Okay, just save this. Once we apply the changes, the image will appear exactly where the user click inside the editor. Now, when I place the cursor anywhere in the article description and upload image, the image will be inserted at the exact position instead of going to the bottom. Here, look, my cursor in between the two paragraphs of the article and go to the add image and upload a small size of image 12.6 KB and click on add button. Hello, my image, same image, appear in between two paragraph of article description. Okay, instead of appearing at the bottom of the description. Okay, now I simple update this form and check with edit options. Hello, my image appear exactly between the two paragraph where I clicked on cursor. Okay, so this makes the editor behaves like a professional CMS editor. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the issue. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Angular and development tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.